Hello everyone and welcome to our celebration assembly. This is our special time to come together as a school to reflect on the amazing things that have happened over the past week and to celebrate our achievements and to cheer each other on. We're so proud of the effort, kindness and determination that we see in all of you every day. So this afternoon we're going to take a moment to recognise some of those wonderful contributions. So let's get ready to give a round of applause and encourage and share and celebrate our whole school community. Have a great weekend everyone.